Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm gonna talk you through this blanket, how I made it. All the information I'm gonna talk about will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So the full written pattern will be in the description box for this one. This is the bubble stitch blanket in round. So I have previously made a video on how to make the bubble stitch in round. I'll link it also in the description box, so you can start your own if you like to. So this blanket so far took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yarn balls to finish. So one of the caramel or brown one, 2 of the pink, and 2 of the green. So as it extends in rounds, it needs more yarn for the colors like you see here. This blanket so far is made out of 22 rounds. You can extend it for more, or if you can make if you want to make it smaller, it's up to you. If you've watched already how to make the bubble stitch in round, you'll know how to make this, but anyway, that video will show you how to make it properly. The only difference between the written pattern and the video tutorial might be when you start the slip knot. In here, in this pattern, I chained 2 and I made 6 single crochet in the first stitch from the hook. In the video, you'll see that I chained 4 and then I made a circle around those 4 chains. So that's the only difference. Otherwise, the way to go around, it's the same. It is important to see the written pattern so you know the numbers for the single crochet rounds and you keep it as flat as possible. So if you have any questions or you'd like to know about anything about this blanket, leave it in the comment section so I can answer them all. Otherwise, this is it for this video. I hope you like it. It's very pretty, even though it takes some time, but it's worth it. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.